Many fruits and vegetables offer us a diet without fats or added sugars. Other foods help cleanse our digestive system and the rest of our body. Find out here how you can make smoothies to help you lose weight. Just as we can use certain drinks to increase our muscle mass, there are also smoothies that can help us lose weight. The biggest advantage is that all ingredients are mostly organic. So nature provides us with purifying and hydrating foods and with healthy proteins, which together can help us burn those extra kilos. The best smoothies for losing weight: green cucumber smoothie with apple and spinach. Even though this combination is not that well known, there are still many trainers who recommend this smoothie for weight loss. However, this is not just about cleansing the body, this drink also provides a considerable amount of energy. The recipe is very simple, namely 1 cucumber, 4 celery sticks, 1 green apple, 1 lemon, a handful of spinach. After you cut the apple and cucumber into slices, mix them together with the celery sticks and the spinach. When you have a smooth and liquid consistency, you can serve the smoothie in a glass and squeeze some lemon juice over it. This smoothie is ideal to start the morning before you go to the gym. The fat-burning smoothie. The pineapple plays the leading role in this powerful natural fruit smoothie. Pineapples work extremely well in cleansing the digestive system. Almost all ingredients work well against impurities and therefore contribute slightly to the acceleration of metabolism. You need this to prepare this smoothie: 1 or 2 slices of pineapple, 1/2 glass of grapefruit juice, 1 lemon with zest, a small piece of aloe vera, a handful of fresh parsley. In this smoothie, it is important that you also add the zest of the lemon, because it contains a higher concentration of vitamins. This is a purifying smoothie, so it is recommended to take it on the empty stomach. You can enter a 6-day treatment period every so often. Smoothie with tamarillo for between meals. This smoothie is ideal if you have a weight that is already quite close to your goal, and if you want to start defining your muscles. It helps you burn calories, even when eating the toughest meals of the day. 2 tamarillos, 1 liter of water, 1 cucumber, celery. It is important to remove the seeds from the tamarillos before you start mixing them with the other ingredients. As always, wait until the mixture is homogeneous. When the smoothie is ready, it's best to wait until half an hour before a meal to drink. This smoothie works wonders in the process of muscle definition in our body. Nutritious smoothie with carrot, lettuce, pineapple, and honey. Even though it falls under the smoothies for weight loss, this natural drink also provides certain important nutrients. In reality, not all the juices we use for weight loss are purely cleansing agents. These are the ingredients: 1/2 liter of carrot juice, 1 leaf of lettuce, 1 slice of pineapple, a handful of alfalfa, 1 tablespoon wheat germ, 1 tablespoon honey. This is another smoothie that we should drink on an empty stomach if possible without filtering. The biggest advantage of this drink is that it provides important nutrients and is an energy source to start the day with. It contributes to the maintenance of your skin and can be used as a natural laxative. Smoothie with orange and parsley. Sometimes smoothies come in simple formulas, and that is the case with this smoothie. The ingredients seem light, but help to purify our body. Of course, this only applies if there is also a balanced diet. You need the following ingredients for preparation: 1 celery angel, 1 glass of fresh orange juice, a handful of parsley, a few mint leaves. This smoothie can also be used as a cleansing agent for 7 consecutive days. All ingredients have a role in purifying and refreshing your body. After such a purification process, the processing of food in your body will, therefore, be much easier. These are some ideas for making smoothies for weight loss. As you can see, nature has the best cleansing and laxatives in its fruit and vegetables. It is good to mention that in many training schedules these types of smoothies also play a role, in order to speed up the recovery period of the body.